Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your PlayStation 5, and you can do this with your controller really easy at any point in time. You have the share button on your controller. Now for me, I have it set up if I just press it once. This is a specific setting, it will take a screenshot. I believe you might have to hold it down to take a screenshot. If you just press it, it will open up the screen where you also have an option to take a screenshot right at the center of the screen. Take a screenshot. And you do have an option to save recent gameplay. So if you've been playing and you want to save the last minute all the way up to the last hour of gameplay, you can. So maybe you got killed in Call of Duty and you just want to watch the last 15 seconds. Well, you can do that right here. And then you can review your clip down here or your screenshots. And you can go on through here. So I believe this is a screenshot. Nothing's moving on my screen. And then I can go to share right here. I can edit it, I can like it, or delete it. So here are some of the edit options. I can crop it or add text. So this is what it looks like if I crop it. I can zoom in right here. I can see everything. And this is actually kind of cool. And then I can rotate it. And then I can position the camera somewhere else. So right about here. Maybe you're trying to make a screenshot or like a thumbnail or something and you want to edit this a little bit more, you can. Then you can replace the original or save a new copy. Whatever you want. Then I can go to done, and then you can actually add text on here if you want. So you can just put a text message in here, and there's different text options in here like color, scale, position, so you can move this around. So if you want to add a thumbnail or something to a video clip, so let's discard the changes. And like before you upload it to YouTube, you can. So if we go to edit, we have cover image right here. You can make a cover image from somewhere in the video clip, and then you can pretty much do that. Otherwise you can select a cover image. So you can just select it from the video clip, go to save, and that will be your thumbnail on YouTube then. So you can just add it right there. So let's go back, and we can go to the media gallery right here, and then we can see all our video clips and our screenshots. So we can scroll on down. Here's my screenshots right here. So you can view everything under this screen. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.